Hey everyone, so today I'm so excited because I got the Colourpop Mulan PR box collection, and I'm so excited because anyone who knows me knows I love Mulan. Like, ever since I was little, I always watched the movie. I had the VHS. It's somewhere in my house. I have to find it, but I had the VHS and I was watching it all the time. Whenever I heard that Disney would come out with a live action Mulan movie, I was so excited. And when I found out Colourpop came out with a make collection, I was even more excited as well. I hope I can get this PR box, and I got it. And like I said, I didn't get this for free. They didn't send me this, but I paid for the PR box. They have it on their website. If you want to buy like PR boxes, you can buy it on there. The collection is sold out, but hopefully they restock it and you all can pick up something. So I bought my first PR box and I'm so excited. But like I said, if Colourpop do want to send me any PR boxes, I definitely would be happy. I would definitely love to do a review on one. But like I said, yes, so yeah, just want to put that out there and say, because I love Colourpop and I love like the swords and the Mulan right there. So pretty in the detail in the buildings. Everything is gorgeous. I have more flowers. This is what the back of the box is like. And also I painted my nails inspired of Mulan, and I used the OPI, and it's from the Selena Gomez collection, and it was in the shade Scarlet. And I also used the OPI nail polish in Everything Has Changed, and also I used China Glaze Fast Forward top coat. And I just love my nails. That came out, it looks really cute. That's what my nails look like. So inspired by Mulan. So I just used a lot of the red and gold for my nails. Like, with everything's going on around the world, because I waited since March 19th. I placed the order, so now they start back shipping. So I got my package. I'm so excited. And yeah, so if you all want to see what's inside this box, then just keep on watching. So let's look inside the Colourpop Mulan PR box. I'm so excited to look in here. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Alright, can show it on camera. Let's see. This is what it looks like inside. It's so pretty. I'm going to take the fan out so it won't fall out. This fan, but I'll show you a close up of it. Packaging. Love the red and the flowers. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. And I love the details. The flower details right in here. And first of all, I had to take this fan out. Let's look at the fan before we start the makeup. Okay. Ooh. This is so pretty. And I have like the flower details in here too. I love a nice fan. Oh, I love a nice fan. And you can, after you finish your makeup, you can just fan. Just make sure everything, like all the makeup is set. Oh, that's cute. I cannot wait to use this. So excited. Okay. So let's get into the makeup. Okay. So the first thing, since I'm doing this makeup tutorial, I'm going to pin my hair back. My bangs back, and let's do that first. Alright, I'm going to take my glasses off as well. Okay, the first product I'm going to use is the Jasmine Face Milk. And this is from Fourth Ray Beauty. And Colourpop owns this Fourth Ray beauty company. So I'm so excited to try this. I've never used a face milk before. So I'm like, oh, I definitely should try this. Jasmine Face Milk. It's really pretty. It's white with flowers, like gold flowers around it. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, I'm going to put some of this in my hand, and I'm going to use this as a primer, like moisturizer for my face. Get another drop. Okay. Okay, so I used 2 drops. So if you see me looking over here, I have a mirror right here. Okay, I'm just dotting it all over my face. It have a nice smell. Like, it's not too strong of a smell, and it's really light smell. It smells good. It smells like a sweet perfume smell. It's my first time, like I said, trying a face milk, and I love it. It's very hydrating, and it's great for my skin. Okay, so this is what the face milk looked like on my face, and I love it. It's nice and hydrating and awesome. Okay, so now that I have my face milk on, I'm going to put some foundation, and I'm using the Born This Way foundation, and it's by Too Faced, and this is in the shade Chestnut. So get like 3 pumps of it. Okay, so I'm taking my Real Technique brush, and I'm going to stipple this all over my face and blend it in. And now I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Deep Tan. And I'm just going to conceal the spots that I just want to cover up on my face. And now I'm using the gold lip mask. And how cute is this packaging? It has a little hair clip, a little flower. Kind of inspired, like, you know, of Mulan. It was inspired by, you know, the Mulan hair clip she have in her hair. And it's so pretty. And yeah. And this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. It's like gold and like shimmer, and I love shimmering gold. This is a lip mask, and I never used a lip mask before, so I'm so excited to see how it is. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's really pretty. Okay, it's almost like a lip balm, almost like, but it's a lip mask, not a lip balm. And yes, I think you just put it on your lips, and I'm gonna put on like the rest of my makeup, and after I do that, I'll take it off, and then I'll put my lipstick or lip gloss on. It smells like vanilla, like vanilla scent. I love vanilla scents. It's so moisturizing. Alright, and so this is what the lip mask look like. It's like a nice gold and shimmer, and I love it. It's nice and moisturizing, and and I cannot wait to put my lipstick on after this. You know, after I take this off, I know it's going to be so nice and moisturizing. So yeah, it's awesome. I love this. So next I am taking the eyeshadow palette. And first of all, let's talk about how pretty this packaging is. I just love all the packaging in this collection. It's just so beautiful and it's just so pretty, and I'm just so happy I got this eyeshadow. And just what the back of the packaging looks like as well, with all the name of the eyeshadows. Okay. Ooh, this is so pretty. It's the same packaging as that box of the eyeshadow. And there's the back. So here we go. Ooh, so cute. And this is the Mulan from the Disney live action movie, and she's so awesome. I love her outfit. She's like, you know, a warrior, and it's so pretty. And I love the writing right here as well, and the colors of the eyeshadow. And this is what the eyeshadow looks like up close. It's gorgeous. You have your yellows, red, silver, yellow, so many colors. And it's like a nice warm palette, and it's so gorgeous. Okay, I read all the name of the eyeshadows. Imperial, Strike and Match, Be Swift, Fighter, Like a Girl, Warrior, Honor, Loyal, Brave, Strength, True, Undefeated, Guiding Spirit, and Legacy. These colors are amazing. So let's get started. Let's see. Alright, so I want to do a look that is going to match my, you know, outfit I have on. And I'll show you my outfit, just like I'll show you my blouse. It's so pretty. Kind of reminds me of Mulan, and I just want to wear it. See, I have my flower like I usually wear. I love this flower. And the shirt, it's like a pretty burgundy reddish color. I got a flower right here. So pretty. And yeah, I just want to show you this pretty top I had on. And the sleeves too. Look at that. How cute is those sleeves? Okay, so I'm going to take my Too Faced eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to put this all over my lid so I can prime my eyes to put on my eyeshadow. Alright, so back to the eyeshadows. So let's see which one I want to use first. Okay, so I'm taking this color right here, Undefeated, right here. I love this eyeshadow. It glides on so smoothly, and it's really pigmented. And I love these eyeshadow. They're so pigmented, and I know all of them is going to be like, you know, so easy and so easy to glide on, and very pigmented and glittery. And I love these shadows. And this red is so vibrant and just really pretty, and I love it. And now I'm going to take this color Loyal, and it's a pretty like orangey coral color, and it's glitter on it, and I love this. It's really pretty. I'm going to put that in the outer corner of my eyes. Okay, so I have the Loyal eyeshadow on the outer corner. I blended it up a little bit more on my lid, and okay, that's what I have on right here. Alright, so I want to add some more in the middle to my eyes. Okay, so this Brave eyeshadow, I just want to add a little bit like in the center of my eyes. That looks really pretty. I'm going to put some more on the other side. I'm going to blend this eyeshadow in. So now I am taking the shade Emperor. I'm going to use this as a highlight. I'm going to use this to highlight my brow bone. So right now I'm going to take the shade Be Swift. Right here I'm going to place it in my inner corner. And then I'll take some and place it in on the middle of the lid. I'm just placing just a gold all around my eyelid, just a little bit, just in the center, just to add a little gold. I love this eyeshadow palette. It's so gorgeous. I cannot wait to do more looks of this, especially during springtime, summertime. It's gonna be awesome, or anytime. I just so excited to use this more. And yeah, and this is the eyeshadow look. It's so pretty and I love the colors. So nice. Also, we have two blushes. This one is Good Luck Charm. And the packaging is so pretty. And it has the name on the back. Okay. Ooh. How pretty is this? So pretty. And they have like a little mirror. And the packaging is so gorgeous. It's like all the packages in this collection have a flower in the middle. And let's see. This other one. I'll do a swatch of this one. Well, let me show you the other one. I'll do a swatch of both of them. Alright, this one is Matchmaker. Same pretty packaging, the name on the back, and this is what it looks like. Really pretty. Alright, so I'm going to give it a swatch. This one is Matchmaker. Alright, let's see. It's right here. You can see it. It's like a beige color. Brownish beige color. It's pretty. And it matches my skin tone almost. And it's really pretty. I like that. And this one is Good Luck Charm. Ooh, this is pretty. It's right here. That is pretty. This is like a orangey color. Got shimmer in it. And the other one got a little shimmer as well. And this is pretty too. It's right here. It's really shimmery too. Alright. So I'm going to choose which one I want to wear. I'm going to put on some of this Good Luck Charm. It's so pretty. Alright, so right now I'm going to take off the lip mask. Because I'm about to put on my lipstick. Alright, so I took my lip mask off. Alright, so I did my eyebrows, my lashes, and my eyeliner off camera. So I used the Benefit Browsing, and this is in the shade Dark. And it looks like this. And also I use the Colourpop BFF Cream Gel Eyeliner. And then I use the Show Maximizer 3D Base Mascara Lash Primer. I use this the base primer for my lashes. And then for mascara I use the Show Iconic Overcurl. Okay, so I just want to show you what I use off camera. And okay, so now it's back to the collection. I just want to mention again that lip mask makes my lips feel so soft and so moisturizing, and I love it. Okay, so now here's the lipstick and lip gloss. I'm so excited. The first thing is the Luxe gloss. Ooh, that is really pretty. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I love the packaging. I love the little designs. It's so pretty. And I have Mulan. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's like gold. Okay. Ooh, this is a big applicator too, and I love it. I'm gonna give you a swatch real quick. Ooh, my swatch is really pretty. Look how nice and gold that looks. That's really pretty, and it smells. It smells first like an orange mixed with like vanilla. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I'm so excited to use it. Okay, so next I have the Lux Lipstick, and I'm so excited to see this. Look how pretty this packaging is with the flowers all the way around it, and they have, you know, Colourpop and Mulan at the bottom as well. Love this packaging. Alright. Ooh, this is pretty. And I think I remember somebody saying it, how the lipstick is shaped is like how it's like in the shape of, I guess, the sword or tip of the sword, or from like, you know, Mulan. So that's cute how they made that. And I love the writing they have right here as well on the lipstick. It's gorgeous. I want to swatch it real quick. Ooh, look how pretty that color is. That is beautiful. That is so pretty. I love the like pink. It's like a pink coral color mixed together, it looks like. So pretty. I cannot wait to try this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so the last product on here is a Luxe liquid lipstick. Ooh, how pretty. Then I have on here Luxe liquid lip, and that's so pretty, and I can't wait to try this. Let me show you a swatch of it. And I love the flowers around here as well. It's so pretty in the gold. And there's a swatch. It's so pretty in red. And now I'm gonna use this for my makeup. Look. Ooh. I love this color, and everyone knows I love a nice red, and this is awesome. Like, I so recommend this. Okay, that is pretty beautiful, and it glides on so smoothly. Okay, so I'm going to take this swatch I did, this Phoenix lip gloss. I'm going to place it right in the center of my lips. That came out so pretty. And then give it a nice shine. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Too Faced Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray, and I'm going to spray it and set my face. I love this fan. This is the finished makeup look. Okay, so that is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and turn on your post notification bell so you all be notified whenever I upload another video. And I will see y'all in my next video. Alright, love y'all. Bye.